guys, welcome back to my channel. And it's been quite some time that I wanted to do this particular vlog. And what I wanted to show is basically my vlogging setup. So basically in my helmet what I use, and I was having a problem with the mic basically, and I got a little feedback from my subscribers stating that I can only hear the voice, the sound only in one ear and not in the other. So, and I actually checked that out myself, and it was quite annoying. And I've got so thanks to Samir from Desi Indian Riders. I'll link their channel in the description and that particular video from where I've got this. So earlier I used to use a Lavalier mic, and which is really good, and it sorted out most of my problems. And but the thing is ki it was only in one ear, so they also used to face the same problem. But now I've got the hack, and basically it is I've got this new mic that they have suggested. So it is the mono Lavalier microphone. So this mic I'm going to use, and I'm going to set it up on my GoPro 8. So basically my GoPro 8 has a media mod, so there's no adapters, nothing, so it goes directly here in the 3.5mm jack. So this is the GoPro 8 that I use for my vlogging and for my motor vlogs. And though it has an external mic, there's a lot of wind disturbance that comes in, so I'll be using this. So I'll just go through this setup right now. So guys, if you see, this is my HJC, and this is the Sena attached. If you see inside, one second, I'll just give a better view. If you see, that is the mic, and that's the Sena mic there. So this wire here dangling here, so I'll just put this on the table and I'll show you. So this is basically the adapter mic. Of focusing issues here, one second. Yeah, so basically this is the adapter mic, and this used to go in the media mod, which is here. So this is a 3.5, this is the media mod that I use. It's a very handy thing. So but this doesn't make your GoPro waterproof, but it's okay, I'm not going to use this in the rains any which ways. So this is the 3.5mm jack to which it is. This is the USB charger. This is for I believe for the screen that you can attach upon here, and here you can put the media lights. So but I don't use that, I just use the GoPro. Now the thing is ki I'm going to use this mic. Now what is special in this mic, I will tell you. What makes it different from this one. So let's see. So this comes in a really nice pouch. How do you pronounce this? Mono. So this is the mic. Now if I just attach this in the GoPro like this, no voice gets recorded at all. What I have to do is, they have given a special adapter which I will show you right now. This is the adapter that will go straight in the GoPro media mode, and this is a normal setup. So this adapter makes a difference. So I have done a little test, and the results were actually very brilliant. The voice was really crisp. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to remove this mic, I'm going to attach this mic to the helmet, and I'm just going to take a short spin on the bike. Maybe I'll just take the scooter and I'll just do a short record. So after this I will post the same recording in this video so that you know the difference. So earlier on my videos you have already heard the voice quality, which is actually good, but the voice used to be only on one ear, so that you have already heard. So I'm not going to put that in the video. I'm going to put this voice recording in the video on an actual bike, and like a motor vlog, and you all will see the difference. So let's go ahead. This is going to be a little tedious because I have to kind of dismantle the entire helmet now, and kind of get this attached. So let's do that, and the next coming will be the motovlog video. Wait for it.
Many months later.
Hey guys, so this is a mic test, and we're kind of I've set this mic up, so I hope the audio is getting recorded, because I really don't know. Yesterday when I tried it, it was really good, but I want your feedback on how this is, because from what I've got to know is this is much more clear and more crisp. So yes, I'll just record. I hope the view of the camera is okay. The camera is a bit low, so I'll just stop here and I'll just assess the footage.